Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a very effective home remedy for chronic cough which starts like a asthma attack and patient suffers a lot due to continuous coughing, congestion and disturbance in normal breath. If you are dealing with this problem, please avoid too cold water, canned juices, soft drinks, extra oily food and dairy products. Try to use hot drinks like herbal tea, coffee, chicken soup and also add more seafood and poultry in your daily diet. Now start remedy. You will need simple 3 ingredients to prepare this remedy. Take 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of butter. Heat for a while to blend all the ingredients. Remove from heat. Drink warm. Use this remedy when you feel cough symptoms or before bedtime. Use this remedy on regular basis until you get complete cure. Otherwise, you will suffer again by this irritating chronic cough. Because chronic cough takes time to recover completely. So please keep some patience. Thanks for watching.